How to make a woman beg for your attention. When a woman begs for your attention, she's going to chase. Most women don't beg for your attention. That is why they are not chasing. And that is why most times they get not to prioritize you. They don't want to prioritize you. They don't want to treat you nice. Because you beg for their attention, that is the more reason why you keep chasing them. They keep treating you like an option and you will always stay. This is spell solution. The goal is for you to stay in a healthy relationship and a healthy marriage. Number one, do not be the first to, to always send her text messages or to call her. Give her time to also send you text messages. Give her time to also call you. Most times, if she call you, she send you text messages, you can chat with her. But then don't be the first person to always do it. And most times you send her text messages, don't wait around for her to respond to it, or you call her maybe more than once, twice, she did not take the call. Do not call her again. If you repeatedly call a woman, for her, you now become a very needy man. So because she doesn't want, most times she would deliberately do not want to respond to your messages. She will deliberately not want to take your calls because she wants you to be needy. She wants you to keep calling. She wants you to keep testing because she knows this thing gets you to keep chasing her and she will keep laughing. And if you keep chasing a woman, you become needy. The first thing she will do, she start playing games. She start playing you. She want to use you. Now she become too manipulative. She become controlling. And then the authority in the relationship, she now handles it. You just give her the authority because most times you're going to always beg. Most times you want her to show you love. You want her to show you care. You get so desperate. This is why most times men chase so much even when the woman is not chasing. Then the second thing you should do is don't be quick to respond to her text messages. Wait at least 5 minutes. Let her know you're busy. Something is also taking your time. You're not just waiting around for her text messages or her call. Most times you're busy. Just ignore the calls. When you're done, just give yourself like 5 minutes. When you're done with what you're doing, you call her back. This is you telling her that you have a life outside her. This is you telling her, oh, you have other things you're doing. You're not even waiting for the call, or the call is not too important. Yes, it might be important, but it's not that too important. If other things can occupy your mind and you don't take her time, you don't take her call, she start thinking, are you sure he's fine? Are you sure he's okay? Are you sure he's not with another person? Why is he ignoring my call? Those times you're supposed to get needy, call her 20 times. She will be the one to be calling you. She will be the one to be calling you, testing you. How far, babe? I've been calling you, not taking my calls. Allow her do that. If she never done with you, you're missing. If she's not doing it with you, it means you are the one doing it for her, with her. And if you're doing it with her, she's never going to chase you. She will use your eyes to see pepper soup. That's what she will use your eyes to see. So if you're dealing with a woman, allow her do these things with you. It is normal. If she gets angry, don't be quick to apologize. Oh, I told you I'm busy. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about that. I'm free now. We can talk. If she continue throwing tantrums, it's okay. I've seen that you don't want to talk. I will end the call. Maybe we'll talk later. You are in authority. You are in charge. I've told you. I told you I was busy, and I've apologized. So why do you keep bringing up the issue? Oh, you don't want me to work? She would not say, I want you to work, but then I've been calling. I told you I'm busy. That is how they handle them. She will just automatically calm down because you're telling her you can't condone bad behavior. So if she's not ready to talk, may she end her call. You're still busy. So now she'll be wondering, why is he busy? What is he busy with? And is he talking to another woman? Does it mean he doesn't want to talk to me? Most times, this is where she want to call you 247. She might even come to your place if you guys are close, unannounced, just to come and check some things, just to come and be sure that she's the only one, just to come and be sure she's not sharing you. with anybody. Then always send her pictures of you having fun. You having fun might be just you or you with your friends. You went out, any hangout you went to, you just take picture, just send her, see your boy, see your man, see your cutie. She will be like, oh, you look very nice. Where did you guys go to? You will not tell her, oh, this is where we went to. Have you been here before? Ask her the question. Have you ever come to this place before? Have you ever had the time, or do you know this place? She will say, oh, maybe she'll say, yes, I know the place, or I don't know the place, whichever reply she gives you. The next question should be, would you like to come? If she say yes, she has been there before, you say, oh, will you like to come here with me? Because coming with me, you will really enjoy yourself. Now this one is a catch. She start feeling, this guy is a very interesting person. My husband is very interesting. I think I would like to visit this place with him. And how am I even sure he didn't go there with someone? How am I even sure he went there alone? I would like to visit this place. Maybe maybe I will get to see maybe the person he went there with, or the girl he is talking to there. I would like to visit. Then you see her anytime maybe she wants to go out, she will always opt to, okay, let's go to that place. And if you go there, make it a memorable one for her. Tease her, laugh with her, joke with her. This one, that woman, even if she's not your wife, even if she's just a girlfriend, if she leave, next time she will want to do this with you. And don't let your life to revolve around them. Most times, go out more with your friends, especially when you're still dating. Yes, you will have her time, but you're not just readily too available. Most times she will say, oh, let's go out. You tell her, we'll go out, but then I've already made plans with my friends. Okay, let's leave it. Weekend, I'll take you out. It will just be weekend for the Odogu and his queen. It will really be fun. Just give her some subtle sign that other women want me and I'm not readily available. Even if she's your wife, do this with her. But then if she's your wife, you do it subtly. You say, oh, okay, I have, maybe you tell her you've already, most times your friends, you're going out with your friends, she go vex, now vex, she go vex, no problem. Let her get angry, but she will get over it. This makes women to chase you. This makes them to feel, this time is just for me. It is me he's supposed to be giving it to. She start fighting herself for the time. She will do everything to stay in your good books. She will do everything for you to stay with her. She will do everything. Each time she maybe threw tantrums, you are together, the following day, have a hangout with your friends or you alone, it pays. So just go out all alone, do your thing alone, dress well, dress nice, just go out, smell nice, then learn to take care of yourself. If you're a man who is doing this and you know how to top your game by shaving yourself, dressing well, eating right, hitting the gym, doing exercise, your woman will always want to pray for your attention, because these things are things, and you always go out, have fun, you're always lively, you live your life. There is this heart that feels as you go out, other women will want you. They want to cherish you. If you're doing these things, it builds your confidence as a man. It builds you. You feel that courage. You want to talk to other people, especially if you know how to keep yourself, if you know how to dress. Most times, you don't even need to talk to women. Women, once they see you dressing nice, smelling nice, talking very boldly, they will come and approach you. Most times they will come to you. They might not directly approach you, but indirectly they want to talk to you. They want to have conversation with you. They want to exchange contacts with you. So these are most of the things you do that drives your women crazy about you, that makes them to chase. Are you doing any of this? If no, do them. Your woman is going to chase you, and she's going to always beg for your time and attention, and you'll be leading her. You'll be in charge. This is Spell Solution. If you find this video very interesting, do not forget to share. Many men needs to see it so you don't act needy before your woman. So, and if you're just coming across my channel for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, click on the notification bell so that whenever I post, you'll be the very first person to see it. And don't forget, guys, to drop your comment in the comment section. Drop your thoughts in the comment. Thank you.